Today I'm going to show you how to take the wet bulb measurement. What I've got is my wet bulb K-type connector here, and what we want to do is get the end of this wet. So get in the sock thoroughly wet. So it's completely saturated, which it is. And then what you want to do is clamp this right in front of your return, the intake of your air conditioner, which is commonly called the return. So I'll take you over here, show you that here. Here's my Fieldpiece Sman3 here, and we're going to plug the wet bulb into T1. Goes into T1 right here, and we'll turn it on by holding the button down for a second right here. And you can see it's starting to measure. What we're going to do is take our K-type connector here, and we're going to hold this up to our grill, and if possible clamp it right here. And what we want is really it to be between the filter and the evaporator coil. And we'll measure our indoor wet bulb temperature. Showing 64.6 and dropping. So it might take just a couple to get that measurement. Just scrolling through here. Okay, so we're at 63.5. Now another place you can take this measurement is right at the evaporator coil itself. So I'm going to take you in here, show you that. There we go. Problem with this is we'd have to take the lid of the front off here. Okay, so I've locked it in at 61.5. That's our wet bulb temperature right there. So now we're going to go over to our indoor wet bulb, and we're going to need to set the indoor wet bulb Okay, there we go. So I moved it over to that side. We're at 62.2 and entered. Okay, now we'll have to go out and get our outdoor dry bulb temperature. Anyway, but that's how to get the wet bulb temperature. Again, you really want to do this in between the filter and the evaporator coil. It's a little bit better if you can do it at the air handler, but in the essence of time today, I'm just showing it here at the air intake at the return.